Many people think that finance is boring, but the truth is, understanding finance is about maximizing one's chance of survival. What is more important than learning how to survive? Finance today is simply about life and death. Everyone in our modern civilization needs wealth, including money, for survival. Thus, the management of this wealth, in order to meet the goal of continuously maximizing wealth, becomes a condition for individual survival. There is an old saying, necessity is the mother of invention. And this can be applied to finance too. Our understanding of complex monetary and wealth systems has escalated to its highest point. Now more than ever, there's a necessity to recognize the significance of finance. Now more than ever, there's a necessity to learn the science of finance.